Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Canatonic Lifestyle. I'm Jason. Today we're going to be talking about and reviewing the Bloom Dart. Now the Bloom Dart is one of the most discreet and best vapes for outdoor use. I personally found one through a pop-up store at a local dispensary where they were doing a promotion to where when you buy a Dart pod, you get the Dart battery. This one's going to be a 480 milliamp battery, which Bloom is saying is about 35% more than their standard 510 battery with regard to charge. Now, being that this is a more powerful battery, you can expect larger puffs as well. Now, this really only has two components to it. You have the Dart pod, which is going to contain your oil, usually about a half gram, and then you have your Dart battery. The only thing that this has on it is a red light to indicate charging or when you're inhaling, and also the micro USB at the bottom of the device. To get it started, really easy, you take the plug out of your Dart pod, you basically drop your pod in, and you inhale. Now, I'd recommend if you're just starting out, do a 2 to 3 second inhale. And what I mean by that is when you start inhaling, count 1,000 to 1,000. Eventually you may get up to 3 or 5. I personally hover between the 3 and 5 second inhale. It tends to get me to where I need to go. Now, as far as some of the features of this that I really like and why I would say it is the best outdoor and discreet vape around is because, first off, its size. It is a very small device. It's about the size of a key fob. Also, it has a metal housing. It's not going to bend in your pocket. It's not going to break if you sit on it. I wouldn't recommend sitting on it. I'd recommend vaping out of it. But you do you. One other thing that I like is that it doesn't have a butt, which means that no matter what, this isn't going to go off in your pocket. I can't tell you how many times I've had a standard battery with a button go off in my pocket, just burning oil straight into my pocket. That's wasted money, that's wasted THC. That hurts me right in the heart. I don't like that. So that's why this one has an advantage over those. Now, I say it's a good outdoor vape because here's my mindset. When I like hiking, when I'm biking, when I'm running, when I'm backpacking, if I'm out in the wilderness, size matters, weight matters. Now, as much as I like rolling, sometimes I just need to go light, and that's going to be where the Dart comes in because it's easy. You could put it on you, you could put it in your bag, and a half gram will carry you through quite a bit. I'm not sure if you're going to be camping for a few days, but nice thing is you could bring other pods with you too. Now, oftentimes I find myself using this when I'm just like walking down the street, just something really discreet, something with flavor, something that I don't want anything to draw attention to me. That's going to be this guy. So I'm going to go ahead and leave a link in the notes as to the specs where you can find these, and also in the comments, feel free to shoot me your ideas. If this has been working for you, or if you have another vape that's been working for you really well, let me know about it. I'd love to review it. And one other observation that I've had is I find that these vapes go really well with like a nicotine vape, kind of to elevate the experience just a little bit more. For the case of this, I had used a Pina Colada puff bar, and if you do the Maui Wowie, this one's Maui Wowie, and you do the Pina Colada puff bar right after, you get a really nice flavor medley. But at the same time, that nicotine kind of pushes you up to an extra bit of elevation. So what you might want to do is check out the vape, get a puff bar, put them together, see what happens. Kind of interesting results on that one. Tell me in the comments your results. So once again, this is the review for the Bloom Dart. I give it my total thumbs up. It's the best outdoor and discreet vape around. Thanks for tuning into the Canatonic Lifestyle. This is Jason. Stay lit, my friends.